back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Angela, or you can call me Aditola, and I create recipes for cooking. Also, I make products, so you can check us out on Instagram at Foodfeastuk. And today I'll be making a video recipe on how to make KFC style chicken, like the breadish type, but I'm not using the breadcrumbs or anything. So I'm just going to take you through my step-by-step process of making my chicken wings that is KFC style. So as you all know already, I like to keep my cooking as simple as possible. So I've got about 10 double wings in here, and I've got my Greek yogurt here. So I've got about 4 to 5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and I've got some Maggi cubes, ginger, pepper and salt. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to marinate this for about 45 minutes. But I would say if you could prep this in advance and marinate it overnight, I think that's better. Greek yogurt is a really good tenderizer for your chicken, so it's a really good thing to incorporate when you're making your chicken. So this is my process for this. I need to crush this, and obviously the peppers depends on you, up to the taste you want it to be, and the salt and all the seasoning actually. So I'll pour this in here and empty my Greek yogurt in there too, and I'll mix it all together. Right, after mixing all of this together, I'm going to pop it in the fridge for a while just to marinate, and then I'll take it out and I'll show you the next process on how I put it in the flour mixture and deep fry it. So just go along with me. After marinating the chicken for a while, I put about 100 to 200 grams of flour in a bowl, and then I season that with more salt, chili pepper and ginger, and you can add any seasoning you would normally like in your chicken. So I just add that together with the flour. And then I dip each wing in there, and you can actually add some Maggi cubes. Obviously we've seasoned the chicken with that, but if you fancy some of that, you can add that in, or any seasoning cube that you use normally. So what I'll do is I dip this in here, I coat it in the flour, coat it as many times as possible just to make sure that every inch of it is properly coated. Dust it off and then place it on a flat plate just to get it ready to fry. So to just do this till you finish doing all the chicken. And of course it might be a bit messy because the flour tends to get around. And I realized I didn't mention at the beginning, but when you're marinating with your yogurt, please make sure it is plain. Do not go and buy some vanilla style yogurt or something. If you don't have yogurt, you can use buttermilk, and I can do a video showing you how to make your own buttermilk at home. Yeah, so just do this till you finish dealing with all the chicken, and then it's ready to be fried. So you normally deep fry for this kind of recipe. So you put some oil in the pan, and you can see that the oil is hot, and you just take, I'll say don't do more than 2 at a time, but if you have a bigger pan to fry, you can probably do as much as you want. So I'm just going to put the chicken in there and deep fry. And fry it till it's golden brown. I'd like to say a massive thank you to all of you for watching, and that's the simple step-by-step of how I make my KFC style wings. And if you like any more instructions, or if you like any more, if you have any suggestions of anything you would like us to cook, please let me know. And remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and let us know what you think of our recipe. Bye guys.